Hey, what's going on, guys? Alan Kushmarkov here with Best Homes Real Estate, and today we're going to be doing an agent spotlight on one of our best agents here in Best Homes Real Estate, the smoking realtor, Pete Castellucci.
How you doing?
Hey, good, man. Thanks so much for joining me. In the last 3.5 weeks or so, you picked up 4 listings.
Yes.
Right? And with all the stuff that is going on out there right now, in the month of April, you were able to do that. If you don't mind sharing it with me and then the entire viewership out there, how were you able to accomplish that in such a short period of time?
Well, basically, I was starting to get frustrated, like a lot of agents are out there today. You know, the market just got a little turned around, a little crazy, trying to figure out new ways, to make a living. So I got to a point where, I started losing focus. And when I've done that in my previous careers, especially with football and everything, I had to go back to my coach and be honest with him and tell him where I'm at, what's going on, you know what I mean? And this is why I'm not performing like I used to perform.
Yeah.
So I did that with you. And we sat down, we had a nice meeting. He basically put it straight to me. These are the things you need to do. You need to go back to your basics. You need to do this, this, and this. You need to come into the office at least 2-3 hours every day and make it happen and get refocused. So I followed your guidance, and I managed to get it turned around. And it started out with one phone call to one for sale by owner, and then it led from one for sale by owner to another, and then it continued. So I wind up, within a matter of weeks, stacking up 4 listings, which are all under contract already.
So you got all of them under contract?
Under contract, yeah. So real happy about that, and I'm going to continue to keep working hard and making sure that, my performance is up to par.
Okay, all right. What would you suggest to an agent that right now maybe kind of feels like the same way you felt 3.5-4 weeks ago? Struggling, unfocused, that needs some help. What would you suggest to that agent?
Well, first of all, I would suggest that they become a part of this team because we have such a great support team here. Number one. Number two, it's, tough times. You got to get tough. And you got to dig in. There's a lot of competition out there.
Right.
And, that's when you hit my sore spot. I've been a competitor all my life. And I wasn't up to par in my level. So you helped me get back to that, and people that come here are going to know that you're serious about business, and but you also at the same time have the support here that you need.
Right.
You got to do it. You know what I mean? Because like you said, you can lead the horse to the water, but if the horse doesn't drink the water, then it doesn't make it.
That's right. That's right. Okay. What are your plans for this month?
Oh.
How many?
I don't know.
We're what, May 11th? We're still got
Yes.
about 20 days or so. How many listings are you going to get this month?
I have a goal for 2. I'm going for 3. I have a goal for 2 more listings. I have some potentials in the fire already that I'm working, and I have a couple buyers, in the fire working them. So, I wanted to. When we first met, I told you, I wanted to close 30.
That's right.
This year, and I don't know how I was going to do it, but
You're going to get 30,
yeah,
and you're going to get to 35 this year.
Yeah. So I have that goal written down in my head. I have it written down on my board at my home. So when I sit down, no matter where I'm at, I have that in my head, and I want to get there. I want to do the best I can. It's I've never been a selfish person. When I think of my goals and I think of what I want, it's always for what I can do for my family. That's what I care about.
Well, listen, I appreciate your time. Congratulations on your success.
Thank you.
And definitely looking forward to continuing
All right, buddy.
working with you,
On.
coaching you, all right, and getting you to 35 deals this year.
All right, man. You're on.
All right, guys, you heard it. I appreciate you taking a look at it. If you have any questions, if you need help with your business, please feel free to reach out to me. We're offering a free business growth session for the agents, whether you're an experienced agent or a brand new agent or a top producing agent. We're here to help you guys. Feel free to reach out. Thanks so much.